Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So a little bit ago I posted a humorous, totally joke video using invisible colors. I thought it was pretty funny. But in that video I came up with a technique called the splash pour, and then people wanted to see the technique with non-invisible paint colors. So I thought I would do that today. Now this canvas has seen better days. I'm not sure what happened to it or how it got here. But that's okay. I think it's perfect for this experimental technique. And I do have some pretty leftover paint that I want to use. So I'm just going to add a little bit more paint to this. And all materials will be in the description. I'm using actually a ton of just different acrylic paints. And then they're just mixed for pouring. So I'm going to use mainly greens and kind of earthy tones, I guess, some copper. I've been kind of in a green mood recently. Now, just full disclosure, I did actually try this out on a live video on YouTube. And so I kind of already know how it's going to work a little bit. And I did find that the colors tend to get quite blended during this technique. So it really helps to kind of stick to the same color vein and not go too wild with your colors. All right, that should be plenty. So on this technique, instead of just doing a regular flip cup, which is a common acrylic pouring technique, you're gonna just take your cup and you're going to literally splash it. You can do more over that or just run some off on the sides, which I think I'm going to do because this is actually kind of a really cool pattern in here and I don't want to mess that up. So when I did that video, I literally just totally made up that technique on the spot. But you know, sometimes the best ideas come from not thinking. And if you missed that video and you don't know which one I'm referencing, please check down in the description. I'm going to post a link. I think it's hilarious. It was kind of just making a joke out of the fact that people very often like to tell me what colors to use or to not use in my paintings. I get complaints that I use too much blue, sometimes complaints that I use too much black, and complaints about basically every color that I use. So I made a video that made me laugh about it. This is actually gorgeous. And I'm not a yellow person, really. Also not really a green person in general, but I think these are awesome. By these, I mean these colors together here. I'm really liking this. Uh-oh. A little splatter over here. Okay. Cool. Well, the canvas looks a lot better now than when I started, I think. So I'm going to let this sit here for a little bit. Because of the way that the paint is kind of thrown onto the canvas, you get those air bubbles and stuff. So there's definitely some reactions coming up in here. So let's let it sit and then we'll do our close-up. All right, let's start over here, lower right hand corner. Definitely some really cool reactions and patterns in here that I don't think I would necessarily get otherwise. That lime green is definitely representing. Such a fun color combination. And I had some kind of random colors in the bottom of my cup, including a little bit of red and stuff. So we definitely got some fun here. Primarily greens and yellows though. A little bit of that blue popping up through there, which I think is awesome. So there you have it. The new splash technique. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this new technique. Tell me if you try it out. I would love to know your results. And I hope everybody can just keep things light and fun. There's a lot of craziness in the world. I think we just need to create more art, create more beauty, splash some paint around, and have fun. I'll see you all next time.